Adrian Villanueva. Sino bang guro ang hindi maaalala ang pangalang ito? Adrian Villanueva, ang mag-aaral na napakabuti, napakasipag, napakamaalalahanin. Ang daming bagay at ang daming deskripsyon ang pwedeng ikabit sa pangalan niya. Pero ang pinaka tumatak sa akin bilang advisor niya ay ang pagiging good boy. Simula naging estudyante ko si Adrian Villanueva noong 2005 hanggang 2026, napakasipag niyang mag-aaral. Lagi siyang nangunguna sa kanyang mga kaklase upang gawin ang mga bagay na ipinag-uutos ko. Katulad na lamang ng simpleng pag-garden, paggawa ng bahay kubo, at yung nauutusan ko siyang maningil ng mga babayarin sa paaralan sa kanyang mga kaklase. Napakasipag mo sa asignaturang practical research. Sinasabi nga ng mga kaklase mo sa akin na lagi ka daw nagre-review, nagre-repaso, at napaghahalata namang napakahusay mo sa asignaturang ito sapagkat lagi kang nagre-recite. Kapag pinapasagot kita, laging tumpak yung sinasabi mo. Bago pa dumating yung graduation, sinabi ko na 48/48. Lagi ko kayong pinapaalalahanan na mag-ingat palagi, lalo na sa pagdadrive, at marami pang iba. Lagi kong pinapaalala sa inyo na huwag kayong lalabas ng gabi, huwag kayong magsuswimming, huwag kayong palabas ng labas, kasi nga graduation, malapit ng graduation ang ibig kong sabihin. Dumating yung graduation, 48/48. Laking galak ko, laking tuwa ng puso ko sapagkat yung 48 ng mga anak ko ay hindi nalagasan. Napakalumpot na balita, napakalungkot na pangyayari sapagkat magigising na lamang kami isang araw, mababalitaan namin na ikaw ay lumisan na. Naglaho ang lahat. Yung masaya, napalitan ng lungkot. Yung ngiti sa aking labi, napalitan ng luha sa aking mga mata. Sapagkat iiwan na kami ni Adrian na labis naming minahal. Si Adrian na napakabuti. Si Adrian na mapagmahal. Ayaw man naming lumisan ka, ang ipinapanalangin namin na lang sa ngayon ay gabayan mo kaming lahat, kaming Herodotus, protektahan mo kami gaya ng pagpipray namin sa kaluluwa mo, minamahal naming Adrian. Hinihiling ko na sana lagi kang nasa mabuti kung nasaan ka man ngayon, at sana lagi mong alalahanin na meron kang 48 na kamag-aral sa Herodotus at meron kang nag-iisang teacher na laging magmamahal sa iyo. Lipad ng mataas, minamahal naming Adrian Gallarin Villanueva.
Do you miss me too? I changed your name to don't call back, but I still know the number by heart. Your coffee cups on the second shelf, like you only stepped out in the dark. I take the long way past the street and lie that it means nothing to me. Every window, every light looks like a life that should have been mine. They say time knows what to do, so why does it keep taking me to you? Do you miss me too? When the night goes quiet, do I get to you? Do you miss me too? When you almost call me, do you want me to? Do you miss me too? When the bed gets colder and the lights turn blue, do you miss me too? 'Cause I miss myself when I'm missing you. Do you miss me? Do you miss me? Do you miss me too? Do you miss me? Do you miss me like I miss you? Somebody laughed like you last night. I turned around too fast to hide. Funny how a crowded room can still feel empty without you. I say your name less than before, but it still lands heavy on the floor. I'm getting good at moving on until the lights are off. They say hearts know how to heal, so why does mine still ask if yours can feel? Do you miss me too? When the night goes quiet, do I get to you? Do you miss me too? When you almost call me, do you want me to? Do you miss me too? When the bed gets colder and the lights turn blue, do you miss me too? 'Cause I miss myself when I'm missing you. Do you miss me? Do you miss me? Do you miss me too? Do you miss me? Do you miss me like I miss you? Maybe you're better, maybe you're fine, maybe I'm the only one still caught in rewind. Maybe you love me, maybe you don't, maybe I'm holding on to what you let go. But if the moon feels wrong sometimes, if my name still crosses your mind, if there's a part of you not over us, tell me I'm not the only one. Do you miss